Dako man itong naong aning live. Hello! Continue pa rin tayo, no? Mga subscriber here in my YouTube channel, okay? Thank you for loving, likes, and subscribe, okay? Continue. Okay. Bilis kung sanin na kayo. Sobrang pagod at init kayo ang pakiramdam. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. Shout out kay Farah, kay Ismael, and kay Eileen, and Ochiko. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you for likes. Hello, welcome 3 viewers. How are you guys? How are you guys? And Scout Thompson. Shout out, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching my live and likes, everybody, okay? Ay, init kayo, guys. Alam nyo lang. Dahil lang pagdugay diha, gigutom man ka. Ako na lang kandadan diya pagkaon, de. Saan ay oras di ay karon? Alas 12 di ay. Hello, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, okay? And click on bell notification, okay? Don't forget to like, everyone. Hey, wake up. Don't forget to like to viewers and subscribe and click all the notification bell para updated po sa aking mga live and playlist and my video, okay? And short video, of course. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, guys. Ang aking butterfly, naghiwi na, no? Nilupad na siya na, naglaag-laag na siya nilupad. So, mag-andam ko karon kay magluto ko o kinasunsod anam mo hanggang hapunan. So, okay? Mga subscriber, hello, 3 viewers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you, guys. Foreign people, thank you. Akong katangkuan nandi, punasan o kuan, RDL. Naamang kadiha. Okay, thank you.
H is just like letter N.
Apa dito makutas mama tuan dito? Gilad.
Not very good. And then how about letter I?
Gutom na kayo? Ay, sorry. Gutom na kayo?
Hindi nagkakatungan. Kao na lang sa luna.
Ano man?
Gutom naman kagayo.
Ikaw, ikaw sa kanika.
Magluto pa mga kinasun.
Ay, wato na lang di ka din.
Tubig na mga
Di, huwag mo sa gutom man eh. Nawa man.
lang. Ay, kutas tayo. Pagtagaan.
Isa, tanawa ko, letter I, letter K, letter L. And then, small L din. Mura na I na dako. Straight line lang. Basta parehara ng I na dako o L na gamay. Parehara na. Same lang, same. Sige, suwat. Na mo na L na gamay. And then, how about na sunod? L, L, M. Tapos,